Everyone, look carefully before taking the package. Rinse these instant noodles with clean water once. Then put it in a steamer for a short time and take it out. This is noodles. It's becoming a new dish. I'll sing gradually, I dare to. Many people haven't prepared fish this way. It's crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Soft. Remake super. It's easy to cover with a lid and steam for 5 minutes, then time's up. Let's watch. Steamed noodles are ready. Then remember to use cold water right away. Let it cool down immediately. That way the noodles won't stick together. The food will be chewier and more elastic now. In this bowl, crack 4 good quality free-range chicken eggs into the mixture. Remember to be careful when cracking the eggs. Don't tap directly on the rim of the bowl like that. It's easy to find dirty casings. On a flat surface, tap lightly, crack will form, then it will split. It's very easy, just 4 eggs, no fishy smell, right? Here's a tip for you. Hey, add a little white vinegar to this to remove the fishy smell. Eggs are very effective, and you don't need many. Just a few drops, then add a little salt. The leaves are fragrant and visually appealing. Add less pepper to remove the fishy smell, and some more onions. If you have children at home, you can add less shrimp. To increase the nutritional value, continue stirring the eggs with chopsticks. They all gave it their all. I share a few things with everyone every day. Simple and delicious recipe tips. You've stumbled upon this video. Can I please have a heart emoji to show my support today? Thank you. Thank you all so much. We say that dropping a heart emoji shows affection, but not dropping one is also fine. Usually, whether you let me go today or not, I still feel. Thank you, and I wish you all a worry-free time for eating and drinking, despite not lacking a house. 4 up to a multi-story house with a lot of money. Every day, the little one enters a lucky 100. Everything goes smoothly when things go well. Thanks for your support, ladies. If you see this, please leave a comment. I received it. I'm bringing your wishes home. Put a little oil in the pan first. Heat the oil up, then add the pork skin to the pan. Just do it like I did, running slowly and steadily. That's fine. Press the noodles to fix their shape before use. Once the noodles have set, pour in the egg mixture. Pour it all in at once. Remember to spread the eggs evenly. The surface is now under the rim of the pan. Just a little oil, okay? To prevent sticking to the pan, put the eggs in. See the front side? It's incredibly smooth and soft, a lighter. Fry the small pieces for about 1 to 2 minutes. The underside of the egg should be golden brown. Okay, now go. This is an important section, many of you, at home, when frying this way. If you don't know how to flip the pan, one flip, and it'll always today. Here's a little trick for you. Prepare a round plate and turn it upside down. Put the plate in the pan like I did. One hand holds the bottom of the plate firmly, the other hand holds the pan. Twice, once. Do you think it's not beautiful enough? Absolutely stunning. Next, in the pan, just add a little more oil. There's already too little. Place this egg omelet face down in the frying pan and fry it for a little longer. Just do it a little more, and the egg tart will look absolutely gorgeous. Fry this cake over low heat. When both sides are golden brown and crispy, take them out. Whoa, let everyone see this egg tart. It's not beautiful, it's not very delicious. Now I'll get the scissors and go home first. First, cut it in half. May you see good things wherever you look. Okay, then cut it into 4 pieces. Wishing you peace and tranquility throughout the 4 seasons. Next, cut it into 6 portions. 66. Great success. Finally cut into 8. Wishing you, Miss Fluong, good fortune with this egg tart. It not only smells like eggs, but also smells like. The noodles are mixed together. The flavor is truly top-notch if you follow the scale. What score would you give it on a scale of 100 in your heart? Please rate the comments. Let me give everyone a taste first so they can see what it's like. It's delicious, with the crispy outer shell. Inside, it smells wonderfully of eggs. The sweet and fragrant taste blends with the aroma of noodles. Okay, remember to give it a try.